That's the beauty of thermoforming, is that we're not melting this plastic. We're keeping it stress-free. It's the most stress-free of all of the thermoplastic methods.
What does stress do to a product?
Stress makes it flex or bend or warp. Stress is what creates warpage and creates issues with the part. If this part had stress in it, when we started relieving it out of the sheet and making these openings in it, it would start to warp and to bend. Injection molding, that's the reason you have to put gussets in these corners or gussets around. People come to me and they've got a part that they would like to convert. Maybe it's coming out of China and they'd like to convert this. We can get rid of all of this and give them a cleaner part on the inside or on the outside, whatever they're looking for. Unlike injection molding, which uses liquid plastic, they melt the plastic. We don't in the vacuum forming business. We use sheet plastic and we make it pliable. We bring it up to the deflection temperature and then we mold it. In our process, we're gonna drape it over a mold or drape it maybe into a tool. We're going to show you some video here very shortly, and you're going to see the plastic going to come out. It's flexible. It's called a sag. The plastic is going to be sagging as it comes out of the heaters. It's then going to go either over a tool or into a tool. Then we're going to use vacuum, and we're going to evacuate the trapped air, and we're going to form this part. This is a positive part. This is formed off a positive tool, and you'll see this is a tool surface on the inside of this part. Now, this part could also be flipped over, could be formed into a pressure forming tool or a negative tool to give you this as the critical dimensions. This texture, that could be right on the mold in our process, just like injection molding. The advantage of this process over injection molding is the fact that tooling is much cheaper. It's only about 10% of the cost of a comparable injection mold.
At C&K, the process is simple. We mold it, we cut it, and then we ship it.
Thermoforming is lighter with lower cost tooling, no fooling for corrosion-free, dent-free, crack-free parts. Made in the USA, call C&K for vacuum form.